tìm người ta cho ai cũng nói là gì thể tập đi ngay rồi nó cứ cái mỗi thứ cho anh là ông nghe qua và cái thứ đó nó thì thôi đi anh sẽ là ăn chỗ ra và xongคือจิกาเลี้ยทำอะไรบางสิ่งหนึ่งนั่นอย่าหอยหน้าดอกตีสับปะรดก็อาจอยู่จริงนั่งตัวจะมีการเชื่อบ้านกันหน่อยถ้าเวียบรรดามีการห้ามหอยปลอกนับเลยนาสายยังไงหอยเวียอาจเถอะมือกันยังลายเฉยจริงว่าหอยอาจเอาชื่อพกหอยกับว่าตัวห้ามหอยแต่ดิฉันนั่นคือบรรดาหมกปีปลูกอักษรช่องอะไรสินาสาผลิตหอยนั่งอันนั้นต้องมีอัพโหลดมาเลยจงมาสลับกับคือเอชโลซีមានដូចជាការព្យាបាលឧទាហរណ៍ដូចជាទីប្រតិសិទ្ធិបន្តមកទៀតគឺពួកការព្យាបាលអត់ត្រឹមត្រូវរបស់កាយយើងពុកថ្មិញហ្នឹងឧទាហរណ៍យើងពុកថ្មិញយូរទៅមានអាប់សាយហើយអាប់សាយហ្នឹងអាចឆ្លងទៅដល់សំណើរបស់យើងហើយបន្តទៀតគឺស៊ីលីយ៉ារីគឺសដស៊ីលីយ៉ារីហ្នឹងគឺជាពួកของផ្សាយពួកដែលនៅតាមវ៉ាន់ស្ទីរតដែលអាចជួយជំរុញមើលទៅឲ្យឡើងមកលើបើសិនជាវាខូចមួយគ្នាហ្នឹងមួយកន្លែងរបស់ស្អីហ្នឹងហើយតបទៀតគឺគ្រឿងលេខអង្គការបន្តអ៊ីស្រាអែលបន្តពួកអាស្មាតមកតទៀតគឺមេកានីកយើងមានធំ3មាន infection allergy ហើយនិង anatomy syndrome obstruction លើយើងមកនិយាយពី infection ហ្នឹងគឺធ្វើឲ្យមាន inflammation ហើយធ្វើឲ្យមាន impairment មួយ ciliary clearance ហើយពីហ្នឹងធ្វើឲ្យមាន inflammation ណាហើយចុងដល់ allergy ធ្វើមាន inflammation គ្នាហើយធ្វើឲ្យមាន nasal polyp គ្នាហើយนักสับผลิตนั่นคือเรียน anatomy สมุด obstruction ให้อันคำมาช่วยให้นั่ง anatomy obstruction นั่นคืออันแค่สมุดเลยที่มีตรงขอคือเธอเน้นเกินและถึงโน้ตสมุดใส่ทิ้งดอกที่โจทย์สังตรงดอกบอกเกินและถึงโน้ตสมุดใส่ทิ้งนั่นสังตรงนั่นใบใจจะเป็นมินเมเจอร์มินเนอร์แล้วยังไงปีเมเจอร์chiaสังตรงเป็นอย่างหนอเมื่อเชื่อภาษาแพทย์นาสากงเฉยซึ่งนาสาอุปสรรคนาสากงเฉยซึ่งอุปสรรคนั้นเขาเพียรเพียรนาสากงเฉยซึ่งนั้นวิอาจมาเปลี่ยนเลยสีอันฟลามาชอนห้าวไปจังเตอร์แต่เป็นนาสาอุปสรรคคืออาจลงเรียนติมเมอร์คนลึกก่อนตรงนี้อัดหนอมาเลยพอยต่อที่มีนาสาอิชาก่อกูเลยหรอพอยต่อที่อาจบางเรื่องคือก่ออาจคอยกับการដល់សង្កូមដែលមានសង្កូមនេះណាមានដូចជាជិះក្បាលអស់កម្លាំងឈឺមកថ្មិញហ្នឹងហើយក៏អូឈឺជាឬក៏ឡើងតឹងណែនអីចឹងទៅជុំដល់ស្លែបបន្តគឺដៃនោះស៊ីរបស់ជំងឺគឺលេខចំនួនសាច់ធីហ្នឹងគឺយើងធ្វើតាមដល់2មាន physical examination និង CT scan យើងនិយាយពី physical examination សិនដែលធ្វើតាម endoscopy ដែលអាចរកឃើញធ្វើឡើងទៅណាដែលerythema នឹងហើយអាចរកឃើញ polyp មួយទៀតពេល CT scan អាចរកឃើញមីក្រូសាហ្នឹងឡើងក្រាស់ឬក៏កអត់ហើយនឹងអាចមើលកម្រិតខ្យល់នឹងស្តាក់ដែរចំដល់management មាន2ដែរ management ទី1គឺ medical treatment management ទី2គឺ surgery treatment ហើយមកនិយាយពី medical treatment សិន medical treatment ទី1គឺមាន nasal injection ពួកចូលក្រែកប៉ះលៀងណាហើយទី2គឺមាន nasal steroid spray ដែលដឹងទាំងអស់គ្នាថា steroid មាន effect anti-inflammatory ដែលជួយបន្ថយការហើរការលាកហើយបន្តមកទៀតយើងប្រើពួកមួយ colytic ជួយបញ្ចូល slash ហើយបន្តមកទៀតគឺប្រើពួក decongestant ហ្នឹងដើម្បីជួយឲ្យកុំឲ្យតឹងច្រមុះជួយបន្ធូរនេះចំណុចទី2គឺប្រើ surgery treatment ដែលធ្វើតាម functional endoscopy សំណួរ surgery ដែលហៅកាត់ថា FERS ដែលយើងបើកផ្លូវសំណុំហ្នឹងឲ្យធំជាងមុនហើយបន្តមកទៀតការតម្រូវ anatomy ដែលអត់មកលេងហើយបន្តមកទៀតគឺបង្កើតផ្លូវដើម្បីដាក់ nasal ទៅហ្នឹងហើយ complication នៃជំងឺហ្នឹងគឺមានការថយចុះកំហើញផ្នែកលើសងខួរ